of the Simply Podcast Season 3. And today I have somebody jisko I adore, I love, and she is one of the most fun, cheerful, vibrant personality that I've ever come across. और एक ऐसे ऑफिस में जहाँ मैं बहुत ही टॉक्सिक लाइफ जी रही थी, but I think she and another colleague of mine who I will be having on my podcast very soon, they were my life saviors. They were the reasons I wanted to go to office. I used to look forward. और जैसे इन बदतमीजों ने ऑफिस छोड़ा, मैंने वो ऑफिस छोड़ दिया. मुझे लगा अब मैं क्या, मेरे को सांस ही नहीं आएगी इनके बगैर. So here is one oxygen apart of my friend circle, my office circle, professional circle, personal circle. Pratyusha, my Jolu Baburu. I love her.
I love her too.
हम बहन आजकल बड़ा ये बहन कोड, वो कौन सा शो आया था कॉल मी बेब, बहन कोड. ऐसा हमारा सिस्टर कोड बहुत पहले से चल रहा है.
बहुत पहले से.
Like these are those set of girls who genuinely believe in sisterhood. हम एक दूसरे को, I think it was not pretentious, but we really wanted uplift everybody.
Yeah.
सबका mood अगर सही करना है ना, तो it's like we all are there. And she, the coolest chick I know is Pratyusha.
Thank you so much. I wanted to come on this podcast, but I did not expect such an introduction. I'm overwhelmed right now. पता नहीं क्या बात कर. But I'm so.
दिल से बात कर जो तू हमेशा करती है.
Oh yeah, of course. But I'm really overwhelmed right now. अच्छा लग रहा है सुन के. But as you said, किसी का mood खराब हो ना, you should come sit with us.
I just sit with her. She makes sure that everybody is in a happy mood. We are just byproducts. हम वो byproduct बन के हम भी वो radiating pain होता है ना, हम वो radiating energy होते हैं जो इसका और फैला देते हैं थोड़ा सा. बस हम वो side में side kicks. We are the side kicks. She's a heroine.
I think मेरे पूरे life में, even though I followed the rule saying go good vibes only, I think that was the only place where I lived up to it. Good vibes only, and my vibes were these people. इतना अच्छा लगता था, like you said, I used to wait to come to office. Man, it was a good time.
And there were days that she will not, because by the time I joined her office, मुझे पता चला, I used to hear her name, but बहन जी ने शादी कर ली थी, तो ये कुछ टाइम के लिए हनीमून पीरियड में थी, तो ऑफिस में आई थी. So there's another colleague of ours, Meghna. She said, "अरे you should meet Pratyusha, तुम्हारे दोनों की तो बहुत जमेगी." I was like, who's? And I was like looking forward. I want to know कि why there are claims कि हम दोनों की बहुत जमेगी. And when we met, I was like, Meghna, you were so right. It was bang on. It just didn't seem like कि हम जानते ही नहीं. पहले दिन ही
by that evening, I think, by evening. So we used to have this lovely lunch time together.
1 hour.
1 hour of lunch time, and we used to get some nice scrumptious food. We used to get homemade meals. Apart from that day in the afternoon when Megha came and she introduced me to lunch, was the right time where we got introduced to each other. So you came.
I think our cabins were different. Na?
We were different. I was sitting down and you were upstairs. And then when by the time lunch khatam hote ki, by the end of lunch, we both were already laughing with each other, making fun of each other, like we've known each other for ages now. And itne bandar ke harkate I was able to do with her, and none of it felt weird. Even it was just like I met her minutes before it. None of it felt weird. By then we realized both of us are Pisces. Sorry, both of us are February born.
February born. I'm an Aquarian. She's a Pisces. तो जल बिन मछली कहाँ? वो तो मिल रही.
February babies, and then जो भी चल रहा था, we started talking about zodiacs. We started talking about
personal stuff.
Within no time.
And just the strangest fact, this woman took that out of me, because उससे पहले तक मैं कुछ already 15 years में काम कर चुकी थी, but never in my life, in my office, has ever anybody gotten to know anything about my personal life. Anything means nothing at all. And here I was like, ये पहला office है. I've had like females in the offices and all, but they will share a lot of stuff, but I'll keep my personal and professional life separate. And I was like, ये क्या कर रही है कि मेरे साथ
निकल गया सब कुछ बाहर. Like, whenever we shared stuff also, for me, the happiest part was the day that you actually, like, in that corridor that we used to sit. So corridor mein, that was the first time I told you, I never shared stuff in my office before. There was a difference, but I'm glad I'm able to share it. I think that day, I really felt nice, I didn't do anything, but I had my heart out with you. And I'm like, okay, having your heart on your sleeve for the people you like and you vibe. If it makes somebody so comfortable that they are able to give their heart to you, I regarded that a lot, and I still regard it to the date. It's an acha lagta whenever I think of you, whenever I even check out what you do on Instagram, or randomly, even if you don't speak day in, day out. Whenever I get to, like, every other day, my face might pop on your feed, and your face will pop on
my... देखती रहती हूँ उसका stories. So traveling, which I love. I love this woman. The specialty of the show is that all the guests who are coming on this show, they all are like full heart. And this woman is heart to what level? Matlab, I know a lot of people say that, we feel comfortable about you, Richa. But I think one of the very few people, the set of people who made me comfortable and that confident that I can share my heart out is this woman. And I was amazed कि मुझे वो इंसान मुझे मेरे workplace से मिला.
अरे
So from colleagues, we became like कुत्ती एक दूसरे
yeah, I love the colleagues to kuttis. I must say. Yes,
That's a hashtag
Colleagues
that
to
we
kuttis.
have just invented.
Yes, yes.
Nobody has a copyright on this.
It's colleagues to kuttis, Richa and Pratyusha it is. I think both that amount of time that we spend together day in day out, because work, the moment you meet somebody at work,
और ये कुत्ती चली जाती थी कई बार ऑफिस में, like क्यों नहीं आई?
and half of the time क्या था, I was लीवे मिल रहा था मुझे, शादी हो गया मेरा, so थोड़ा लीवे मिल रहा था. I was utilizing it.
Jealous of her husband, by the way.
What to do? I got a
My
nice man.
Satan.
Oh shit! What a good man. I had to give him time also apart from her.
No, he is a good man.
Yeah, he
But
is.
still, he's my Satan.
That I'll agree. And then I think whenever I used to go to office morning, एक बार once you enter that gate of that office, the people that you get to see, the smiles that we used to have for each other. Oh my God!
Reels. I've never made reels or anything.
The amount of reels I have in that office is the highest out of all my workplaces till date.
I've never had any. This was the only office I had.
I had to do it because of work, and then यहाँ पे it's not for work, it's for my fun.
हम लोग
हम ऐसे कर रहे हैं. We were doing trends and all.
कुछ भी कर रहे
कुछ
थे.
भी.
डांस आए ना है. सब हिलो
सब कर रहे हैं.
करो.
And then I think abhi bhi, even though we don't work together or not in the same city or whatever,
Hmm.
there are days when I feel really if I'm feeling claustrophobic in my workplace or I need a break, man. I just need a break. I just go back to my Instagram. I go down. I see those reels and I'm like, यार वो थे वो दिन क्या
वो दिन क्या थे. बहुत
इतना अच्छा लगता है. And then none of the reels. If people see the reels, they'll actually understand like how you and me are smiling right now, looking at each other. We did the same that day. It was not for the camera. It was
No.
for our happiness.
हम लोग
अरे
I want to say so many cuss words. I'm just like,
control.
be very like,
Not on camera.
not on camera.
Not on camera.
बच्चों के लिए नहीं है.
Akash.
But यार वो भी सच में like I think if ever I think of Hyderabad, up until then it was obviously work and all. But now, if I have any personal connection with Hyderabad, it's between you and Meghna.
So
And the time we have spent, I know that our office थोड़ा सा toxic हो गया था हम सबके लिए, and which is why we all left one by one.
धीरे धीरे.
But I think that happened only because we had to
Oh my.
meet each other.
Yes. Man.
So अगर तुम दोनों नहीं होते ना, I don't know, वो उतना टाइम भी मैं survive कैसे कर पाती. The moment you guys left, both of you, उसके बाद next month onwards, I was like, never in my life. I love what I do. Okay, you know that.
Yes, of course.
But कभी ऐसा नहीं होता था मुझे कि मुझे ऑफिस जाने के लिए I have to like drag myself. Once you guys left, I'm not kidding. You know मेरा
I
health
know.
situation भी
Yes,
हो गया.
yes.
And then doctor said that maybe you're under a lot of. I said I'm not under stress. My stress busters have gone, which is why the stress is happening. अभी
It's
तक मैं
coming
stress
back.
feel ही नहीं हुआ. That was the worst feeling. I was like, why? I mean, I love what I do. I enjoy what I do. I was like, मैं ऐसे अपने cabin बैठी थी. मैंने कहा, from my cabin, मैं सबकी entry मुझे
I know.
दिखती थी.
I know.
मैंने कहा कोई दिख ही नहीं रहा, कोई चढ़ ही नहीं रहा, मेघना पीछे नहीं है, तुम आगे नहीं आ रही हो. हम लाइक अरे यार लंच कर रही तो वहाँ बैठी हुई, वहाँ पर सारे अंकल और सारे जेंट्स लोग के बीच में लाइक माय सिस्टर
Where did they go?
नजर लग गई थी,
बहुत बुरी नजर.
बहुत बुरी नजर लगी थी. बट बुरी नजर वाले तेरा मुंह काला, हम अभी भी साथ में है, irrespective whether we're in the same city or in the office or not, does not
We still
make a
meet.
difference.
We still
Yes.
talk. Just for your information.
And this woman is going to very soon start her own podcast, and she obviously will have me.
Of course.
The kind of person she is, I'm telling you, no woman, I think any woman who even is feeling insecure about herself, this woman will make her feel like a superstar.
यार
Rockstar.
आज का ये podcast, I should tell it in this heavy voice. This podcast has just make me feel like मैंने ले लिया मेरा award. दे दो मुझे पकड़ के please. आज के लिए I am Zeenat Aman.
अरे तुम जीनत अमान, तुम मेरी सुष्मिता से
अरे!
मेरी रेखा,
Three like
Ultimate
मेरी
Big
बसंती चल.
क्योंकि ये कौन बोला? बसंती मैं हूँ, लेकिन बसंती कलर इसने पहना. See, this is what it is, heart and soul together.
बोलेगी वो रंग पहनेगी मैं.
हाँ.
But जितना भी मैंने सोचा मेरी जिंदगी में, by then I think by the time we met in that workplace, I was not really young into working. I had my experience in
Yeah.
the bag. So काम के बीच में I never thought I would meet people like that, because my first workplace I had few set of people that I called friends, but then that is a learning, right? You realize no, they are colleagues. When you leave and you're like, oh, I call them friends, but they were colleagues, right? तो ये जब हिट हुआ, उसके बाद कभी ऐसे नहीं लगा कि I'll meet someone again like that, कि जिसको मैं बोल सकूं यार from that workplace I met someone. I am very glad to the workplace because it gave me people. I always thought कि मिलेंगे ही नहीं. There's nobody left like that, and everybody is very commercial, corporate हो जाएंगे सब लोग. And then the place where we met, when I look back at it, the amount of nutcut and naughtiness we had, the moment we looked at each other, oh Lord, like, did I really miss them, yes. Do I want to do them again? Yes. Will I do them again? For sure. And it was fun, man.
And I think none of us were judgmental about
No,
anything. We were so accepting.
Yeah.
कि ऑफिस में था हाँ देखेंगे सिस्टर मैंने कहा सी वी मे लाइक विद इन सिस्टर्स यू हैव योर डिसएग्रीमेंट्स आई
True,
थिंक
true.
उस टाइम तक तो वो भी नहीं थे बट अगर होते भी ना तो हम अपने बीच में
Yeah.
लेकिन कोई और आके nobody has the right to interfere between
There's a
us.
line, a very nice line. So उसके अंदर हम लोग बिल्लियों की तरह झगड़ भी ले, not a problem. But कोई और एक कुत्ता के बोलेगा तुम लोग झगड़ रहे हैं, हम लोग सुनने वाले नहीं हैं. We'll come back at you.
Yeah.
Because whatever I had in that office, that place, that particular place when I met you guys, it made me grow into someone that I was hiding inside. मुझे पता था ये है, but I never wanted to come out because I thought people will find it weird. You know, like I'm bubbly, I'm happy, I'm chubby. I like being that.
Yeah.
I love being that. But only when I met the right set of people, I was so confident
That is
that
so true.
which used to come once in a while, uske baad it has become me. Like myself that I am came out. And the amount of happiness I have post meeting you guys. Like, yes.
सच में.
So, kitna I changed, especially when I realized that yeah, I can be myself. And there is still a world where it will not be judgmental, saying that ये लड़की इतनी बात क्यों करती है, ये इतनी चुगली क्यों करती है, or is she like this, ये मोटी होके भी क्यों इतनी happy है. I've heard all of it. I've heard all of it.
God.
But I was
इतना
like,
rude हो जाता है.
yeah. They go very rude. So I was like,
हैप्पीनेस का आपके साइड से क्या मतलब है मतलब दुबला इंसान खुश हो सकता है लेकिन आप उसको भी खुश ये इतनी सिकड़ी इसकी इसको
ऐसे
Why is she like that?
ऐसे ओकरे की तरफ बैठे हैं कुर्सी में ये क्या खुश होगी. So ये पूरा सुन के ना I was like I was not able to be myself fully. I was but in bits and pieces only with the people who were like that. But then only after I met this bunch they said बहन जिंदगी तेरा है.
हाँ
लोग क्या कहेंगे तेरे को क्या जी.
वो तो वैसे भी कहेंगे कुछ ना कुछ
हाँ.
कहेंगे.
And then by the time you came, Megha especially was one of the key person that helped me, saying that yeah, you can live, yeah. Like never directly, indirectly always.
हाँ.
She showed me.
She has that poetry
She
in her.
has that way.
हाँ.
And then she's always told me, you can be the way you are. You can
Yeah.
know 100 things, but that doesn't mean you have to be great at all of them. But always remember you have the knowledge of 100 things, right? So she said that, and she's like, you be yourself, and then you'll know what I'm trying to say. So when indirectly she said that, dheere, by the time I was also having this change in my life, I was getting engaged, I was getting married, new things in life. So ये पूरा चल रहा था.
I'm very happy for that, by the way.
Yeah.
That
I
man is a
Oh.
gem. And she's head over heels. But I think he deserves that. And he deserves a woman like her.
I think the only few set of people during that phase of my life, when I was changing independently also and also dependently on another person in love, I think during that phase I needed all of you around me. It was not work, it was not a regular life, it was what my heart felt around you guys. I was changing, I was understanding change. There were people who were around me who were behaving like me also at the same time. Even though they were all naughty, we were all vibing on the same level of madness. There was always a level of enlightenment coming from each other. एक शेयर होता था, जितना भी funny naughty हो जाओ, you always had a fair share of saying
Heart to heart conversation.
चलते थे every day. And when people say कितना heart to heart बात कर लोगे तुम, guys, let me tell you, we had heart to heart conversations every second. Whenever we met, whatever conversation we had, it was not like काम भी होने दो या normal life भी होने दो, चाय पीने के लिए जाने भी होने
Work
दो.
was fun and
Oh,
funnier.
yes.
I don't know how much.
Any more adjectives to
think-
use for it?
In my life, I enjoyed work, doing work, but I think work became fun and smooth and easy,
Yes.
irrespective of whatever the F is happening around us. It was only because of them.
Oh yes. Oh
It
yes.
was,
The entire work felt nice because of the people around it. And
yeah. मतलब कोई अगर गड़बड़ भी हो रही है हम लोग अरे क्या यार and then we'll come up with solutions or we'll be like अच्छा, चल, ठीक है, हो
seconds,
जाएगा.
within snaps.
Yeah.
Because there were brains that were thinking together, which were happy together.
Yeah. The beauty of you guys was, you know, a lot of places you see कि people are coming for solutions, but it's coming from a space of ego to prove कि मैं लेकर आई या मैं लेकर आया. We were coming from an energy of collaborative कि यार नहीं इसको better करना है.
ये table
इसका
हम लोग
problem
सब
है,
लोग लगाएंगे.
सब लोग लगाएंगे.
अब हाँ.
If we were all
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
same page,
Yes.
when it came कि solution निकालना है,
हाँ.
किससे आता है कितना आता है उससे
हमें
मतलब
पता नहीं. And जितना भी solution आया, even if there were days that we had to mix everything.
हाँ, कि थोड़ा सा इधर पूरा खिचड़ी
पूरा
बना
जुगाड़
देते
भी
हैं.
करना हो, but we did together and we all said yes, and none of us said that मैंने किया तुमने कुछ नहीं किया.
हाँ.
We all said like हमने मिलके किया यार, हो गया खत्म, चलो घर चलो.
करो, खत्म.
And then it was a good phase of life that place made us meet all of us. But I think all of us, for the monkey we have inside us, we are still together and we will be for sure.
Of course.
इतना अच्छा
That's
लगता है. Yeah, please, yeah. किसी का नजर लगे, I'm telling you.
नहीं
please.
नहीं हनुमान जी से मेरा
know.
direct I am born on a Tuesday so Hanuman will take care of that.
He will be fine with us. And then there were days after I left the office and I was on a professional break, the so-called professional
Ah.
break during that time. I took that
You
break.
needed it.
Yeah, I needed that. I really needed that, especially after I had to take a break because professionally and also personally, I took a leap. Suddenly, जिंदगी में जिसने बोला कि मैं कभी शादी नहीं करूंगी, suddenly found a guy, fell head over heels in love with him, and I was like, right there to marry. So after all of that, when I took that break, you know, during that phase of me trying to understand life, कितने बार सोच के बैठ रही थी कि the women that I met here, you know, are so, you know, they're the most cherishable diamonds in my life. So, you know, of course, there's this one woman I met recently, and she's told me this one nice way of saying things. So we were about parting our ways, and we were bidding adieu, saying bye bye, I'll see you soon. She's not from India; she's from Norway. She's from Europe. So she's given me this one beautiful line that I'll cherish, and I would want to tell you also is when you say bye, never and you miss that person, always think like these are those caramels. You know, every memory and every second you spend with them are like caramels for you. So you chew on your caramels. Whenever you miss them, chew those caramels so the sweetener gives you the happiness. You know, every second of the memory is like a caramel for you. So for me, the amount of sweetness, जहाँ जितना caramel मुझे वहाँ मिला, I should be diabetic by now. So, it's
That's the sweetest thing somebody has said.
yeah, no, it's like when she said that whenever I meet people after that who are very close to my heart, there are a lot of people in my life that I talk to, and you know, I can't be bad to anybody until and unless they really rub on
She can't be bad.
Yeah,
Until unless you're out here, because I think if you know her, you'll talk to her, you are bound to fall in love with her. Her personality is such. She's like literally the sunshine.
with all of this sunshine in nature, until and unless you're up the wrong side, there's no clouds in my life. So, whenever, after she said that, when I think about you guys, like I have very limited box of people who are that close to me who will be my caramels in my life. I can pick them on my hand right now, but let's not go to names. But out of all the people, when I think about each caramel, no, ek ka flavor different hai. And the amount of time that I think about it, especially you. For me, when I have to tell my husband also that when I was about to tell him that I don't know about the podcast and all, but I'm going to meet her, I'm going to talk to her. I know my heart is going to be full that day. I'll be very happy. He's like, uske bula par thoda sa memory. I had to brush him saying that because it's been long, that
Obviously,
very long. Yeah. So when I told him,
And he and I have met like once or twice, and that is as like a hi and a hello,
very,
not
very
much.
short, very short.
Whatever I know of him is through you and
Yeah.
whatever I see. So obviously, it's very evident on his face the kind of
Yeah.
man that he is.
And then I told him, do you remember Richa? We met. And then, you know what was the first cute thing he remembered when I told him? I told him, do you remember Richa from that place that I worked? And then she's going to come. She's invited me like this. She wants to talk to me. I don't know what the scene is. All I know is I'm going to talk to her. He's like, Richa, because we were all women. He was trying to remember which face do I get as Richa right now. And I'm like, do you remember I used to call her Behan Behan? They're like, oh yes, I know the Behan. I'm like, yes, that's the Behan I'm going to be. So he remembers.
हाँ अभी भी बहन I think first we almost बहन बहन
बहन ही चल रहा है.
नाम लेके हम शायद नहीं बोलते बहन ये कर दो बहन वो कर दो. Even when I read out to her and like a formal invite जो मैंने सबको भेजा इसको भी मैंने ऐसे भेजा, she's like तेरे लिए कुछ भी बहन तू बस बोल.
हाँ.
I was like this only this woman can do. Like I'm sure there'll be others, but मुझे कुछ नहीं बोलना पड़ा. Like she's like तू बोल.
हाँ. Like see. कुछ भी अगर even if you would have come with me to a well script आज के दिन हम लोग you tell me बहन नहीं तू leave ले ले बहन बाइट के script में है पहले उसके बाद हम record करेंगे even if you say that I'm up for it because I know I'm going to sit with you on a table and it's going to be laughter fun and by the end of it यही होने वाला कितना भी लिख लो by the end of it it's going to be you and me talking our hearts out laughing without a blushing it's organic. It's very for the trend of organic guys. This is called organic. Yes.
Free flowing.
Yes.
Go with the flow. Natural.
Yeah.
Ayurveda. Whatever
you want to say it. This is that.
Naturopathy.
Yeah.
सब इधर ही है.
We cannot stick to like I think if we both sit on one table and people give us 100 topics to talk, there'll be the one or two topic that we're going to talk about because we cannot stick to something that is ruled out. Said यही बात करना है नहीं होगा. वो आ जाएगा टॉपिक बीच में आई एम श्योर इन दैट वन और टू टॉपिक ऑल दीस 100 विल बी कवर्ड बट द ओनली थिंग इज वी विल नॉट गो पार्ट टू इट वी विल स्टार्ट इट इन आवर ओन वे
मशीनरी टाइप्स नहीं हो सकता हमारा फंक्शन मशीन वाला नहीं है यार हम इंसान हैं
हां
बट ये आपके टॉपिक्स कवर हो जाएंगे हमें बस छोड़ दो
हमें टाइम
खुलना छोड़ दो
हां हमें टाइम दे दो हमें थोड़ा सा वक्त दे दो और हमें थोड़ा सा
माहौल दे दो
बस
वैसे माहौल तो खुद ही बना देते हैं
हां माहौल हम बना लेंगे बस थोड़ा सा जगह दे दो बस माहौल हम बना लेंगे
फिर हम फैल जाएंगे
हां वहीं पे अगर किसी
जैसे भी हम
हां फैल के बैठे हम लोग अगर किसी का रहता पहला सॉरी गाइस वी आर लाइक दिस
बिल्कुल
बुरा मत
फैला हुआ रहता
या बुरा मत मानना वी आर लाइक दिस बट जितना भी
और बुरा भी माने तो सानू की
मुझे क्या नहीं तो चलो जाओ so जितना भी हमने शेयर किया, बात किया, आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर फॉर टिल लेट कि एक दिन मैंने इसके घर को जा रही थी मैं, आई वाज ड्राइविंग होम, आई वाज बेसिकली टेकिंग ऑन माय टू व्हीलर एंड देन आई वाज अबाउट टू मीट गुरु.
My बड़ा बेटा
Yeah. Guru. Go. Yes. So I was going to meet Guru, and then I was very mad because she was telling me he's a humongous dog. You have to be careful. And then like, no, I'm fine with pets and all. I think when we entered the house, I understood why she was saying it. He is a bachcha at heart, but God has just given him a
big size.
big size. That's all.
He's like he loves people. He's a very people's person. I am a people's person, but limited. But I think he's also very selective with the people. So I only told him, मैंने कहा, see, don't get scared and all. Let him come and sniff you. Don't touch him. I'll tell you when. मैंने कहा वो अपने आप तुम्हें इशारा करेगा. And the way he was with her, or I'm pretty sure आज भी अगर मिलेंगे, like उसको पता था कि mama is very selective. She always gets people that he'll be comfortable around. But with her, hell yeah.
अरे यार,
वो भी फैल गया.
हाँ, वो भी फैल गया.
Like mother, like
Yes, I had the best of it. What a lovely boy he is, man. कितने बार याद करती हूँ whenever the new people who enter my life, whoever it might be, a colleague or anyone, and I have to do like pets. Out of all my, first I show them all my pets when I was with my mom's. सारे वो दिखा देती हूँ. Then the next picture goes to Guru. I'm like, see, if I had smaller ones, I had a baby play with me who was huge when he was a baby. I was so scared looking at him
like that.
I know, man. He can never change, yeah. Guru को ना, if
I've learned so much from him. उसका नाम मुझे लगता है सच में गुरु किसी
Guru
वजह से
हाँ.
रखा.
अरे यार वो इतना सिखाता है यार. The 10-15 minutes that you stay with him, Guru really teaches you something. What Guru taught me is लेट के भी हम पैम्पर कर सकते हैं. वो बच्चे को ना हम लोग पूरा लेट के, फैल के, नीचे गिर के भी हम इतना उसको प्यार दे सकते हैं और वो एक्सेप्ट कर सकता है. Guru is a darling. Okay, more than this to say, no sir. Guru, I love you. तू. Nothing to
बेकार है गुरु. My mom says काट दिया करो बात. ऐसा बकवास है गुरु, बुड्ढा कहेगा. चलो बच्चों गुरु.
मैंने after marriage, see, I'll not be this, Nari saying that शादी के बाद everything is like that.
But it's just that की problems रहेंगी. But if you have a good partner, right partner, that's it. You have somebody to share it with.
Yeah, the moment you have that, the counterpart, if the counterpart for he or she, for whoever it might be, if they fall right, जितना भी हमने इंडिया में सुना है सोसाइटल झगड़े जो हमने सुने वो कभी नहीं होगा. And for me, this man, he knows, if I'm missing something, if I'm feeling very heavy, he knows that day whether I need my space, or whether I need him, or whether I need my pet time, or whether I need to go meet friends, or I just need to
eat something.
Yeah, eat something, whatever, he knows. So, but I think for me, in whatever I've lived my life, right, there are two things I really love cherishing. It's one is the animal love I have. That's the first one. And the second thing is that, of course. You were very right. You were on point. That's why I'm trying to control my blush as much as possible because she knows me in and out when I start talking about him. The second person, apart from animals, this man, as much as I was telling about how you guys made me feel what I am, this man brought this side of me where I understood, okay, what I was doing was love. It's okay to talk about it. इतना भी जिंदगी में अंधेरा नहीं है. तुम अच्छी हो. You are seeing a lot of light. Try talk about the light. So he taught me that. And for me, whenever I think of him, of course.
You found your Ram.
Yeah, I found my Ram. Oh, and you're very right. His name was Ram Sash also. I found the literal Ram. So for me, जितना भी जिंदगी मुड़ के देखे, even the marriage is just one pinpoint. For me, more than marriage with him, for me, it's the bond I have with him as a person.
But that's what I believe in. Like marriage is actually a relationship. It's a bond. We confuse marriage with a wedding.
Yeah.
Marriage is the bond between those two people.
Yeah.
It's the feeling. It's the emotion.
Yeah.
It's the relationship. हम
wedding को marriage क्यों बताते हैं? So for me, I can tell, I can actually, I don't want to give the dates because I know my family will listen to this. But I know when I was married to him. I really know. It's not specifically my marriage, my wedding day.
The event.
The event. It's not that day. But I know when I was married to him. So for me, these two things I cherish the most till date. And though icing on the cake for all of these emotions for my life is that this bunch I have close to my heart. That bunch is very small. That bunch is very, very close to me. Like
that's all you need.
Yeah,
you don't need like a superficial. I always say you don't need superficial set of friends. You just need 2, 3, or maybe 4, 5, whatever. But just have true, real friends.
Very true.
Who you can be yourself.
Yeah.
Who don't judge you.
Yeah.
Who will tell you when you're wrong. Who will appreciate you when you're right. Who will celebrate your success like nobody else would. and who will be there standing next to you in your failures
Yeah.
and pushing you and motivating you like nobody else can.
May
That's
not
all
be-
that you need.
It may not be that you are with them day in, day out.
Yeah.
Today, when I walked in here, the moment I walked in and the hug that we gave each other, it is right where we left.
Yeah.
And that is where we started again.
We can
Normally, कोई भी बोलेगा यार तूने मुझे कॉल क्यों नहीं किया? And then we are like, अच्छा इसलिए नहीं किया, ठीक है, ठीक है. और बता. So we are like
There's no
that.
complaint.
There's no
Nothing is
complaint.
your life, my life, but we know that
Huh.
when we will reach out to each other and whatever
Yeah.
we want to say, share, or just bloody fucking talk, or may have some work or whatsoever, we're there.
We're there.
That's all.
Yeah, for
There's
me,
no condition. I think again, this comes from the fact that we love animals and we understood. कि
There's
क्या
no
में
rule
conditions
in,
नहीं होते.
yeah, there's no comma, there's no full stop. Sorry, there's no full stop. There's always a comma in this.
Or a dot dot
Or a dot, dot,
to
dot.
be continued.
To be continued always. Because I didn't see her for 2 years now, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
I did not see her face. I did not see her physical presence. There was nothing like that.
Instagram, that's it.
That's it. We only see each other faces on Instagram, and then I think we spoke only twice
I
or
love
thrice
the
on
DP,
call.
the current DP, Insta DP. You and Shashank, that's a cute dude. Very cute.
Okay. So by the way, guys, just to challenge for the podcast people, I will boast I have the most couple goods. Hashtag couple goods on the relationship.
Oh yes.
Yes. Boys goods.
Boys, awesome.
Awesome.
This girl is fantastically.
I think when I send him
Amazing.
this podcast, once you upload it and I send him this podcast, he'll be like, what was your point? What were you both talking?
We were just having a
Going with the
heart-to-heart
flow.
conversation.
Yeah, man.
That's the
And-
point of
yeah.
the show is.
Yeah.
Just be yourself, speak whatever you want to. You don't have to
And then-
think much.
If you want to listen to it, listen to it. If you want to see our faces, see. If you want to talk to us,
Yeah.
drop a comment, we'll let you know.
Yeah. And we are there.
Like that.
Like मेरे तो show का यही है ना कि like you know we in this world where everything is so pretentious.
Yeah.
I'll tell you that there are people who can be your true friends, and it's not a best friend. It's a secret.
अरे हाँ.
True friend is basically just there. Who
Your
gets
true,
you.
there's a lot of difference between calling someone your friend, a best friend, and a true friend.
True friend.
And your best friend, there might be best friends who are your true friends, but you're just like calling them best friend because of the sake of it. But your true friend, if there's someone whom you never call your best friend, you'll never call them true friend on their face also. You just know they're there.
Yeah, yeah.
They exist
Yeah.
in your life just like how your soul and your happiness exists.
Yeah. Those true friends are like oxygen. You don't have to remind yourself. You just know it's
Yeah,
there.
you know they're
वो
there.
subconsciously आपको पता है
हाँ.
ऑक्सीजन है हम सांस ले रहे हैं हम जिंदा हैं.
But one thing that I wanted to say on this podcast was, if you ever, once a very wise woman told me, I should start it like this. Once a very wise woman told me, जो रहती है पहाड़ियों में. She's
अच्छा मेरी बात
हाँ.
तो वैसे किसके बारे में बात?
So this wise woman told me once that zindagi mein there'll be a lot of ups and downs. There'll be a lot of trouble. But all you need to know is, are you willing from your heart to be a part of the trouble or the smile? So if you're part of the trouble, you're going to go through the harder part, जहाँ पे सब गुस्सा होने वाला है, then later on you'll come to the smile. But you go through the smile, you will have the smile to take care of your trouble. So this woman taught me this during a very inchy phase of my life. But I think, yeah, you did. Maybe the words might be different, but this is the summary of it. She's told me this one very fine day when I asked her for a suggestion about something in my relationship.
Yeah. yeah. Oh, now I
Yeah.
remember. Now I remember.
So I think,
I know we used to have those night chats
yeah.
on call.
Yes.
Yeah.
So even though,
Nobody on call was me.
yeah. तो जितना भी हो रहा था for me, you know, even though that moment when she spoke, it was very specific according to that point that she spoke. But I think what she spoke was more about life. So this one thing I was very sure I'm going to say it on the podcast, because till date there are many moments I think about it and I'm like, रोना ही है तो थोड़ा हंस के रोएंगे, हंसी में रोएंगे. So I still think about it and then हो जाएगा यार, जिंदगी is not really difficult. That is helping me a lot even today.
I hope so.
No, it is. What is hope? I'm telling you. I'm giving you the wide, open, concrete statement. It is helping. But what I wanted to know was, for you to be this bubbly, okay, for you to be this bubbly, what do you drink every day in the morning?
If I'll be honest, I actually a glass pani. That's the first thing I do. I actually have pani, basic pani, koi garam nahi, koi jeera pani, whatever these people, everybody else know. I don't know what I drink, but I think I always was a firm believer in the presence of that Almighty and the fact that whatever happens, happens for good. बचपन में भी मैं यही बोलती थी कि अगर बाबा जी भगवान जी बाबा जी that's how I say it, बाबा जी अगर आपको problems दे रहे हैं, it's only to make you stronger and wiser. And to be ready for the world. And it's all, I think, my parents, they've always taught me to see the positive side of things than focusing on the negative. I think एक film है, उसमें गाने में एक line है which says, where is the time to hate when there is so little time to love?
Ah, lovely.
I don't even remember, but
Oh, wow.
I remember this. There is the time. I'm sorry, I'm bad singing. To hate when there. So come on, let's love. Come on, let's sing. So I think probably God sent me all these, apart from my parents and everything. He has been sending me the universe has been, and वो कहते हैं ना, what you see, what you think is what you attract.
Yeah.
So maybe I just feel like, यार खुश रहो ना, problems तो सबकी life में. That's what my father said कि whenever you are like beating up your ass thinking कि what the fuck is happening in your life, just see, ऊपर मत देखो, उसके पास देखो जिसके पास कुछ नहीं.
कुछ नहीं है.
And that's when you realize that what you have, you be grateful.
Yeah.
Learn to be grateful.
Yeah.
So this was something which was instilled in like
From when you were a
childhood,
kid.
like, yeah, when we were kids, like कि where my parents could have given me like all that lavish life and all, they always believe we'll only teach you things wherein you can live in the best of the this thing and the worst of the things and still not lose your balance. कि इतने में पगला मत जाओ और इतने में दिमाग ना खराब हो जाए तुम्हारा. तो like that.
उसके वजह से.
So I think you should ask my parents what do they eat or whatever, because it's
I am going to surely ask them for sure.
it's all them. It's all them and their this thing that I attracted people like you in my life. I genuinely like the confidence. I don't know, you say that we gave you the confidence, but I always saw that you're a confident woman. You were just so comfortable. I was like, look at this woman. She is comfortable, she is confident, she is sexy, and she's hot, and she is like unapologetically about who she is, what she is. You love her, hate her, deny her, but you just can't. But I don't think so that anybody hates her, because she's just that person that
I think
will fall in love.
I think maybe there's this line of Vijay Deverakonda's Rowdy brand का जो anthem है.
Okay.
Rowdy is loved, Rowdy is hated, but Rowdy is never ignored.
Yeah.
That's
We are rowdies.
Rowdy. Meet us.
If you love us, you have a great taste. And if you
Yeah.
don't, then I'm sorry. You got to change your taste.
More South Indian food.
Yeah. Like, हम लोग चटपटे, we have like
हाँ.
salts. Pani puri, golgappa.
We are the
proper pani puri. That's why I said, people say one food item that you will connect. I said
Pani
my
puri.
favorite. Pani puri is what. Or when it comes to gussa, I think gussa is like ice cream.
Oh, God.
Like इतना लेना है क्योंकि I think it's not that we don't feel things. It's just that we don't give it that much importance that everybody tends to. Because
And
I think I get bored of being
Just as reminder. Yeah. Just as reminder. अगर हमने गुस्सा सच्ची में ले लिया, वहाँ में फूट जाए हम लोग. We are very silent, but
Yeah.
there is a volcano.
My processing is very quiet. But उस time पे
That's the silent side of what we can be. The other side is where अगर
Everything.
even if you go a little more higher than that, that means अगर तुम हमारे मुंह से बातें सुन रहे हो during our गुस्सा period, तो देख लेना please. It's that phase where you don't want to rub on. No, don't.
But I think those days are pretty blessed because
For me, it's still coming to. It's slowly cutting down. I think I'll come there.
yeah, I think वो हो जाता है. Because
हाँ.
not everywhere you can have a filter because you know
Yeah.
I work and everything. And I have filtered all of it, and that's why I've chosen to go back to my origins, my pahad and all. And पहाड़ी तो nice याद है, like simple. बहुत कोई life में complications नहीं है. It's nice. And God has been really kind. That He's always tried to. Even if there have been problems, I think He's always at the right time told me कि बेटा this is happening because of this, and you learn this, and you get to this will be applicable. And then I'm like, oh, okay, fine.
Good.
ठीक है, I get that.
Done. Understood.
So, ठीक है. So, okay, guys, we'll wrap up today. And next week, I'll see you again with a new guest, with a fabulous another guest of mine, with something more to learn and more personalities to unfold and unwrap and
Unwrap. Unravel.
unpeel, unravel, whatever,
Oh my God.
all of that.
All the uns will
No
happen.
undergarments, but
That's wrong.
we'll get in the under skin of the
Yes.
person.
Yes.
But chalo,
Chalo, bhai saab.
love you. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
I'll see you guys next week. Till then, stay happy, stay kind, and stay grateful.